Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris here with nuppfx. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick and dirty homemade workout equipment for your time when the gyms aren't open. So let's just jump right in. Some materials you're going to need is some nylon straps. I got mine from the shoulder piece of a workout bag that I don't use. You're also going to need some self-tapping screws. I got just extra drywall screws and then 2 stumps. The bigger they are, the heavier they weigh, so gauge it on your size. And then also just any kind of multi-gallon jug. I used a laundry detergent jug for mine. So here's how it goes. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Remember, there are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me keep creating and doing the things that I do. There is also a podcast up called Effects University, which the link will be down in the description. So go ahead, check that out and subscribe if you can. Remember, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.